Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate GST on freight charges in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, product list, product value, freight charges and GST percentage. So first here I'm going to calculate taxable value. So I select the cell and type here taxable value. Okay. Then select the first cell is equal to select the product value, then plus freight charges and press the enter. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below cell. So that's it. Next here I'm going to calculate GST amount. Okay. So select the cell is equal to select the taxable value, add the asterisk sign and select the GST percentage and press the enter. And that's it. Here the GST amount is calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill the below cell. And next here, I'm going to calculate final amount. Okay. So select the sale is equal to, select the taxable value plus GST amount and press the enter. Okay. Double click on this corner point to fill below cell. So that's it. This is the way you can calculate GST on freight charges in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.